3D Investigate Rays is a way to visualize ray tracing, allowing you to follow the full reflection path of each single ray. This is a useful tool to check whether your geometry is watertight or has unexpected holes in it. You can also confirm whether sound can propagate appropriately from your source's position. This is a tool available in every edition of ODEON. 3D Billiard visualizes sound as, you guessed it, billiards. This tool allows you to identify which surfaces are producing scattering, as well as acoustic effects such as flutter echoes and focusing. So, it can help people not familiarized with acoustics to understand propagation of sound. And like 3D Investigate Rays, it can also be used to find holes in the geometry. 3D Billiard is available in editions Industrial, Auditorium, and Combined.